Hello. In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to implement advanced targeting strategies in Google Ads to optimize your campaigns. Step 1. Demographic targeting. Segment by age, gender, marital status, and income to focus your ads on users with the highest conversion potential. Step 2. Interest targeting. Use interest targeting to reach users who've already shown interest in your business. Categories like technology, sports, or fashion are great options. Step 3. Remarketing. Re-engage users who interacted with your site. Create lists based on past behaviors like page visits or cart abandonment. Step 4. Location and context targeting. Adjust your ads based on location, time of day, or device to reach users at the right moment. Step 5. Custom audiences. Create custom audiences based on your own data, like customer lists or users who engaged on social media. Step 6. Market audiences. Target users in advanced stages of their buying journey based on their browsing history. By implementing these advanced targeting strategies, you'll improve your campaign's effectiveness and maximize your ROI.